Hi, I will show you how to create an animated typewriter with just one click. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, we type everything we want here. And then on the effects, search for typewriter. Choose blinking cursor typewriter console. Press U on the typewriter layer. This is the keyframe for the typewriter. 0 is when the typewriter is not written yet, and 100 is when the word is full. You can adjust when you want your full word would end. Let's say I want it end on the 5th second. Okay, I think this is perfect. You can also still change and adjust your word. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!